how to set up and use PayPal on your phone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel The Solution Guy. So in today's video I will simply guide you on how you can set up and use PayPal. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to set up and use PayPal, all you have to do is first of all make sure that you download the PayPal application. So I'm going to walk you through the process of how you can create a PayPal account. So if you have already, by the way, created an account, then basically you could tap on the login option, enter your email, password and try to log in and sign into your account respectively. But if you want to actually create a new account, then all you have to do is tap on the sign up button here. So once you tap on sign up button, it will ask me to enter my mobile number, right? So what I will do is now I'll just go ahead and simply enter my mobile number that I want to use in this case. Then I'll just tap on the next option. So basically you have to make sure that you have access to this number because it is going to send a verification code or an OTP code. Then after that it will ask you to choose an email and password, right? So enter the email address that you actually want to use for your PayPal account. So I'll just go ahead and then enter the email address that I want to use. So once you enter the email and password that you want to use, all you have to do is tap on the next option from the bottom. Once you tap on next, it will ask you to select your nationality. Then after that you have to simply enter your first name. Then you have to simply enter your middle name if you have, or if not, then you can just select your last name in this case. And then all you have to do is just tap on your date of birth option. Make sure to choose your birth year first of all over here. Let me just go ahead and choose my birth year. Then just tap on OK, and then after that make sure your date of birth is correct. Then tap on the next option. It will ask you to also make sure to enter your address. So I might as well do that respectively. And then once I've entered my address, I'll just agree to the terms and conditions, tap on the agree and create account button, confirm your email address, and your PayPal account will be successfully set up and ready to use. That's all it takes to create a PayPal account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have got any questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.